Hi, I'm DrewMan. Welcome to my modest mansion. Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be working on fixing a couple leaks in the domestic cold water system here at the house. The bank that owned the property did winterize things when they shut it down. And I don't know if this was something that happened before or after they winterized it, but this valve here actually has like a small crack in it, which I probably won't be able to pick up on camera, but that's leaking and dripping. The pressure relief is dripping as well. The gauge is a little bit foobarred. And then over here, right above this window, a water line there, the 3/4, there's a T, and it looks like that froze and someone fixed it with some of that tape stuff. And it kind of works, but it also kind of drips. So we're gonna fix that too, and then we'll put some insulation on it, try to keep it from freezing in the future, because we have no heat in the basement, no source of heat. Definitely a little nervous about the heat situation, but this video is not about that. So the first thing you want to do when you shut your water off at your house, turn off your hot water heater. So now we can throw the disconnect for our well pump, and now our water's off. So I'm gonna hook up a hose to the bib there, run that into the sump pit, and I'll go crack a couple of valves upstairs, and we'll get this drained down. Nope, still broken. I think we're gonna start easy and work our way hard here, because that sounds like the best course of action. They got it very tight. Weird. So this is my first time sweating pipes. Pretty sure I got that one a little bit too warm, but feels like it's in there. So being that it's my first time, I ran to Lowe's last night and bought some tools, you know, to make my life easier. And I got this awesome Cobalt tubing cutter. And the thing's garbage. I would highly recommend you stay away from it. So I know what we're doing after we finish this job. We're taking that right back to the store. This cobalt tool though seems to work pretty decent. Kind of hard to screw up a brush though. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Why is it so warm still? Yeah, way too much. Can't wait to turn this on and see it all week. I actually don't see anywhere where it froze. This solder joint doesn't look that great. Maybe they just didn't get it soldered right. But I'm gonna pull the whole thing out just because of how nasty it is and redo it. Whew. I should have just done PEX. Been done with it. I think it's done. I think it's sealed. I'm not like super confident in any of my joints, but fingers crossed. We already turned the power back on to the well and got the pressure tank pressurized. I just wanted to make sure I didn't have any leaks on this stuff that I did here. And so far it's all pretty dry. So now we're gonna go ahead and turn that valve on and wait for water to start dripping. Nothing yet. Pretty much every tap in the house is open. All right, let's go close some taps. Did Daddy forget to close the gate? Are you staying up here by yourself or are you going back downstairs? Oh, we're going back downstairs. Nothing dripping yet, except for that union. Those all appear to be dry. Wow, I know how to do this. Still dripping. Successfully made it worse. awesome? Yeah, you are. I was really kind of hoping that this was going to fix itself overnight, you know, but it did not. So we're going to have to fix it ourselves. I cranked that nut really tight last night and it just would not seal up. Whoa, whoa. Hoping to catch most of this in my my gutter system here. But I talked to my friend today at work, Paul. His friend is a licensed plumber. He said put some dope on it. The dope will help it slip together and seat properly. And put some dope on the threads as well. That basically eliminates the friction that's created between the two. So as you're torquing it down, it's like putting oil on the threads when you torque your head studs, you know. Same sort of deal. Ah. I don't want to wait for our lives to be over. That was aggressive. Nothing yet. A moment of truth. Is it still dry? Look at that. Golly, I'm like a freaking plumber. Alrighty guys, all of our leaks are officially fixed. We got no drippy drippies, which is a good feeling. That trick with the dope on the union did what it was supposed to do. And I got these pipes all insulated. I also insulated the end of the joist bays. I thought I got this on video, but I can't seem to find the footage. But maybe I just did what I usually do and set the camera up, took all this time and then forgot to turn it on. Yeah, so it's got 2 inches of rigid foam on the sill plate and rim joist. So that should help air seal and insulate. And then we got both pipes going up to the floor insulated as well. The leak wasn't caused by a freezing issue, but I just want to cover my bases because I don't want to be down here in the dead of winter trying to thaw pipes out or making repairs. So yeah, that's done. And like I said, this was my first time ever sweating pipes. I've soldered wires and stuff like that before, but never pipes. Super simple, just make sure you get your copper really clean, put some flux in there, stab it together, hit it with the heat, wait till it gets warm enough, and once it gets warm enough, it'll start to draw the solder in, and once you get the solder all the way around it, you can cut the heat off, don't overheat it, don't put too much solder in. I'm no plumber, so I don't know what I'm saying. I will say though, PEX is way easier. I would have had this done in 10 minutes instead of wasting an entire night. I always enjoy learning new skills. It's always good to try something you've never tried before. And if I couldn't figure it out, if I couldn't get it to work, I would have just gone and gotten PEX. You know, simple. That is gonna be a wrap on this video. I don't think there's anything else I need to tell you.